This is a church. This is an oracle card. Ew. Do you see the difference between these two? One of them's a little bit more aesthetic. I don't know. Let me know in the comments which one you think is better. I'm just kidding. But seriously, TikTok is full of tarot and crystals and angel numbers and astrology and all things new age, right? And we can't deny it looks pretty. There is something so aesthetically pleasing about the colors and the fonts and the overall vibe of these videos. It's no surprise that millions of views and likes and comments are generated from these videos. But here's the thing. Many Gen Zers are trading trends for truth. While other kids might be swiping through these videos, there's a growing number of us who are turning back to faith. And I know this because according to the trend site Thieves.com, interest in spirituality is officially rising again after declining in previous years. According to a new report from the Public Religion Research Institute, Gen Z religious affiliation rebounded in 2022 after declining in previous years. And a recent study by the research company Statista found that nearly half of Gen Z spends more than 3 hours a day on YouTube, up from just 14 minutes in 2017. And according to a survey conducted by Channel Studio, a Google company, nearly 1/3 of Gen Zers are interested in faith-based content, up from just 17% in 2021. And according to a recent article in young people are turning to faith in part because it offers a sense of stability and meaning in an increasingly complex and uncertain world. Let me say it again. Gen Z is turning back to faith. What? Because while these tarot videos may be aesthetically pleasing, they're ultimately just that, a trend. But faith offers something much more valuable, a connection to something greater than ourselves, a sense of belonging to a community, and most importantly, a path to truth. Because let's be real, in a world where everyone's just trying to get a like, it can be hard to find something that's real. But if you're willing to look beyond the surface, if you're willing to dive deeper, then you'll find that faith has depth that no trend or aesthetic can match. So if you're tired of the shallowness, if you're sick of the fake, if you're longing for something real, then come deeper. Come to where the water is deep. Come to where the truth is real. Please subscribe for more real faith talk, not just algorithm-approved spiritual fluff. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.